Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the internal blast explosion inside the aluminium pipe reinforced with epoxy glue or adhesive and covered with a steel pipe. Let me just hold the aluminium and see that this is the uh, failure and stress and damage happened on the aluminium pipe. Let's me to use limit to have a better view. This is a better view. Let's me to click on animate. See that this is the animate and this is the blast increment and the damage happened. Let's me to use this option. Okay, and the other thing is Johnson Cook damage for the pipe. See that the Johnson Cook damage, and let's me to add the other part. See that the glue and the steel part, the damage for the glue or adhesive material. Let's me to hold it. See that the adhesive material completely failed, but the outer steel cover is remain intact. See that ductile damage for this intact and shear damage again intact, but the aluminium and the epoxy are failed completely. See that this is the here. Okay, if you need this tutorial you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorial or search one or two words of the title in the search section of the website and then you will find it. Click on a blue sign or on the title. Then you will have this explanation about the geometry, material model, steps, interactions, everything. And then the result here. You can see the result here for the internal blast explosion. And at the end there there are three important points. The file contains CAI and plain English video file step by step. The cost is $29 US. If you have bitcoins you can pay it with that. If you have PayPal you can use that, and it is a better way to use PayPal. If you have PayPal account, send me an email to this address and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.